Hi everybody! Good afternoon. It's afternoon now here in the Philippines. Today is Sunday, June 6. It's 6/6 mid-year sale. And this is Olivia ko. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign and the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Thanks for coming into my channel and watching my videos. And to all my supporters, thank you for supporting me and watching most of my videos. And today, I'm so excited. Every day I'm excited naman. So today I'm excited to share with you. This video is not sponsored, so I'm going to just share with you my experience with this new thing that I'm going to show you, which is I just bought it 2 to 3 weeks ago, and no, it's not me. My daughter has been using it for around every day. She uses it every day, and she said it's our best buy for this year. So this is unboxing and showing you a bit of how we use it. I'm not so sure if it's the right way to use it, but that's how we use it for around 2 weeks right now. And without further ado, I'm going to show you the item. Yeah, it's here. Here I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to get oh, this is the thing that I'm going to show you. Yes, it's a handheld me vacuum cleaner G10. This is not sponsored. We bought it with our own money. Yan. This is it. There's a lot of ano na there. Yan. So, we use it for quite some time already, and we've been using it for 2 weeks, and we're so happy with the results. I'm just going to explain to you before unboxing it. It's just it's a good buy because for a fraction of the cost of the famous brand. This I bought it only for 10,000 pesos. The famous brand is selling for 40,000 pesos here in the Philippines, 40,000 plus. And yeah, I haven't tried that one, the famous brand, but I bought this one because it's cheaper and hopefully it will last long. And there's a service center here, I think. This vacuum cleaner arrived in with a outside box, a brown box. And this is, I removed the box already. And this is the inner box. So yeah, it's not so big and it's very light. Yeah, there's a handle over there so you can carry it. And now let's open this one. And yeah, that's the stick. And when you open this, that's the that's the handheld thing, and these are all the other contraptions that you use. The brush, the small brush, and the torque something. Yeah. And okay, I remove it from the box. These are all that's included if you buy the Xiaomi G10 vacuum cleaner. Yeah, those are the it's for the floor, and this is the one you stick to the wall. And this is for the crevices. I think this is for the bed. And this is like a mop. You put water here. And this one. Yeah. For the electronics, I think. And this is the adapter. And that's the longer stick. And this is the main thing. Yeah. I think we're gonna use it right now. Use it. It does like here. This is how easy it is to eject the dust. There's on off here, and we turn it on, and we're going to put it in the doon. We put the vacuum over there, and it can only fit 2 attachments, so we put this through there. The rest we're gonna put it in the drawer. Hi, I'm back. And I forgot what I was talking about earlier, but now if you're in the market of looking for a vacuum cleaner, and handheld. It's not too heavy compared to um, the traditional ones that you have to lug the heavy vacuum cleaner around, and it's easy. This one is easy. Just charge it, and this one, it's parang mahina na, madaming dumi na. So, if you're thinking of buying one, this is a good buy and it's cheap. I hope it will, I can use it for a long time. And we can wash it has HEPA filter. It says there it has HEPA filter, and we can wash this part ata. Can remove it and wash it. I haven't tried it yet, and I'm just going to learn how to do that. I'm just using it to clean first. So if you're interested to buy, go ahead and buy. Don't take too long. I've been thinking of buying a new vacuum cleaner for such a long time. I think mga 1 year na. 2 years na siguro. And yun. And I finally did it. Plus, there's a payday sale. So I just bought it. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign and the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. Yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time. Shout out to all my friends that that keeps on watching my videos, my friends, my relatives, everybody. Please do comment so I'll know you're watching. And please share it to your friends. Thank you for sharing to your friends too, my channel, and tell them to subscribe to my channel too. I hope you really enjoyed watching my videos, and see you next time. Bye! Love you all. Bye-bye!